कभी ब्लैकबोर्ड से हाथ बाहर आते हुए देखा है? तो चलो देखते हैं. So today we are going to make 3D popping hand. So see, we are going to make hand popping art, but that is going to be 3D. So now let's make it. So first we have to make our hand. So now let's make our hand. So now I'm making my hand. So we have to stretch our hands that much as possible. So we have to make it big. So this is our hand. So now what we have to do? Yes, we have to make some lines. So now let's make it. So make sure that we make the lines straight. So now I made some lines. So then we have to make the lines in this hand also. So how? So first we make this. Now, if you see this in the last, you will see the hand is popping out of this board. Then it will be magic. Wow! So then we have to do this pattern in the fingers and this pattern in the hand. So see, our hand and the background is ready. So now what we have to do? Yes, this is looking little bit plain. So now let's make it attractive. So then we are going to color inside it. So which color should we do? Yes, pink and yellow. So now let's do, because this should look more pretty and attractive. So that's why we are going to use two colors. So now let's color them. Don't color the hand because it's looking like it's popping out. That's why we should not color the hand. So now I did pink, so yellow, then I'm going to do pink. Surprise! Is it looking like 3D popping hand? So, if you like today's interesting craft 3D hand popping video, so please like,